to be seeing if when you close the fridge door, if it stays off or if it stays on. So here's the fridge right here. Alright, oof. I'm gonna put it right here. And we're gonna see if it turned off or it doesn't. I don't know, did it turn off or not? Let's see.